Hello everyone, myself Nidhi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make beautiful latkan for blouses and lehenga. अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। साथ ही साथ बेल बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि आने वाले वीडियोस की अपडेट आपको मिले। So let's begin. Firstly, we are going to make a fabric bird like this. So I'm taking a fabric of 8 cm in length and 8 cm in width. Then cut this. Now fold this fabric like this in a triangular shape. And draw a slightly curved shape from this side. Now I am taking this golden color fabric to make a beak of this bird, or we can say chonch. So fold it like this. And sew it. Now sew over this marked line. And also place this chonch part over here. And sew it. Leave little bit opening at the other end just to insert the cotton. Now turn it from this opening. Insert the cotton. Now sew this opening part. Now take this lace, place it over the neck and cut it accordingly. Then sew both this end together like this. Then insert this place like this, and with the help of thread and needle, just give a stitch so that it won't move and get fixed in this place properly. You can even use the fabric glue to paste this lace. Now I'm taking a small piece of this golden color fabric to make a feather for the bird. Now fold and sew both the sides of the fabric just to conceal the edges. Now fold it like this. And place this feather over here. And then sew it. Thread and needle to sew this feather. Now I am taking this stone lace and cut it just to make an eye of this bird. Now paste these stones with the help of fabric glue. Similarly, prepare the other bird. Now I am adding some beads to make this bird more attractive. So with the help of thread and needle, add these beads like this. Now I am inserting some beads, or we can say pearls, on this dory. And then we sew this dory with the bird like this. Our beautiful latkan is ready. Hope you liked this video, and if you have any query or suggestion, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.